Cancer doesn't appear overnight. It grows quietly, like a flower that goes rogue, acting like a weed. It runs rampant, stealing sunlight and nutrients from the garden, and it spreads till the garden is consumed with weeds. Our bodies are made out of trillions of cells, each one programmed to grow, rest, and renew in perfect order. But when the DNA is damaged by stress, toxins, or inflammation, or simple bad luck, a cell can forget the rules. It starts growing for itself, not for the body. Normally, the immune system acts like a gardener, pruning away damaged cells before they take hold. But as we age, those gardeners grow tired. Hormones shift, inflammation rises, and the soil that once kept us strong becomes harder to heal. That's when a single rebel cell can take root. And it's not just growing, it is rewriting the instructions of the garden around it, and if left unchecked, will consume the garden fully. Here's the hope. We're learning how to restore the soil, to nourish the immune system, repair DNA, and slow the aging process that lets cancer thrive. Lifestyle choices, stress reduction, mitochondrial support, antioxidants, and even some therapies that repair the damage that treatment caused, like hyperbaric oxygen, and help the body remember what it's meant to do: protect and renew.